Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Rizal Ann Tahong Shooting. I'm 24 years old. I graduated in Pilgrim Christian College in Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, major in Culinary Arts.
So, where do you live ma'am?
I live in Malaybalay, Bukidnon.
So, can you tell me ma'am your marital status?
I'm single.
Do you have kids ma'am?
Yes, I have one son.
How old is
One-
your son ma'am?
1 year old mom.
So, how many siblings do you have
I have 6 siblings and I am the third.
of the family?
Yes,
Okay, so do you have work experience abroad?
No, mom.
How about local experience ma'am?
I have, mom, 2 years.
Here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me the date of your employment? From what year?
April 2022, and that's end of December 2024.
So, can you tell me your duties and responsibilities as a domestic or housemaid or house helper here in the Philippines?
I have two baby, and I have two baby. Then my work is babysitting, and sometimes if the baby is sleep, I do work like cooking and cleaning the room of my boss and
Alright, so how old is the baby mom that you're taking care of?
2 years old and 8 months.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I am an honest person and will be with my employer and kind.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
I don't have, mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, mom.
Alright, so why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to work abroad, mom, because I want to have I want to give for my son to a brighter future.
So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, mom.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
No, mom.
So, do you love pets?
Yes, mom.
Do you have one at home?
Yes, I have, mom.
So, what kind of pet do you have at home?
I have 2 dogs and 3 cats.
Okay, so can you give me your idea how can you take care of a naughty children and children with tantrums?
Um, if that is the situation is, I will talk to them and about I will talk to them in a calm voice, and I will read them a book and a story about a bad effect of being naughty, and that's it.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employers, I will promise to you that I will do my best to be a good worker, and I will assure you that I am a hardworking, honest, and I can do multitasking. And if I have and if you have children, I will love them as my own, as I will love them as my own. And if you have rules and regulation that I will give to me, I will follow them as long as it is safe, and I will promise to finish my contract.
Alright,
Thank you,
is
ma'am.
that all, ma'am? Okay, thank you.